Okay, so we're at the stage now with the front where we can define where our pocket and pocket opening are going to be. So we're going to make the pocket in from the corner about 4 centimetres, down from the corner about 14. The important thing here is that your pocket opening is big enough for the hand, and the average size is about 15. So as long as you've got 15 opening, that's the important part. So we'll start creating the pocket by choosing Create, 2-point, Curve, right-click, Distance from point, and I'm going to do a -4, and then right-click, Distance from point again. This time we're going down in a positive direction, 14. We've got that springy line. We can just make it, it's just a slight curve on the pocket here, not a dead straight line. End line, and okay. And the next section is the shape for the pocket itself. So I'm going to go over here and down around about the hip level-ish. So just again, I'm going to use 2-point curve, and I'm not giving you measurements. I'm just going to do this so that I get a nice shape. And once I've got that, I can then start extracting the pieces to make the final pattern pieces. So for that, I'm going to create, extract, click on the piece, click on the area that you want to extract, right click OK. I'm going to name it, because this is pretty much the final piece, 8220, and we'll call this one Pocket Facing. Okay, and we've got that piece. Next is our pocket itself, pocket bag. So that's the panel, that piece, and that piece are the pieces we want to extract. Again, it's pretty much the final shape, so I'm going to name it 8220 Pocket Bag. Okay, and okay. And then the last section is our front pant. So again, extract, select the piece, select the pieces that you want to extract. And this is going to be, again, final 8220 front. Well, now, before I go any further, oh yes, it's okay. I was going to say I might have had to add my notches, but it's worked out okay. They're there. Okay, so if I do an F2 here and separate out my pieces, drag this back and put it in its correct place. This is my front draft, so I'm going to just call it that, save as if I haven't already. Front draft. And I'm going to right click and paste menu, and then I'm going to just make sure I've saved the other pieces correctly. Save as, CC8220 front, that's fine. Pocket bag, that's fine. And pocket facing, that's fine as well. So they can also be final pieces. So I'm going to leave that there. Bring down my final back piece and all of my pieces for the waistband. And the flies. There you go, there's all of my pattern pieces completed. As far as pattern making goes, now I just have to add all my seams and my annotation to them. So of course your seams are under advanced, define, we'll make it 1 centimetre seams, 3 centimetre hem. You can choose to put a centimetre or 6 millimetres on the curved edge here. Up at the top of the waist it should be 6 millimetres because that will have to be backed out 1 centimetre around the external of the fly pieces.